Alright guys, we got the ramp car part 2. Noah has his Losi. I got the Talion underneath the ramp. I'm going to drive it around. Noah's going to jump off of it. Oh. Broke it? Hang on a second. Yeah, you broke it.
Put it back. It's back on its own.
Open the top. I didn't bring any tools with me. Get your other cars.
Well, that looks so funny.
Well, it looks like we lost a screw on the Losi, so he's going to have to use his other little cars. We got the Infraction and the Limitless too, but I don't see us jumping that. Might be a failed mission. We might be just bashing the Infraction and the Limitless. You getting it going? That's the first trouble we've had out of the Losi. Looks like this screw came out of the... Hang on a second. Broke it too?
Look at the wheels.
Yeah. Okay, we broke 2 of them.
No, there's 3. There's that and the back and top.
Oh, you got it working?
Yep.
Oops. Yeah. brake?
Yeah. Please get out.
Looks like infraction. Infraction and limitless.
Wait, how do I put the infraction underneath of it?
What?
Because there's none other ones that can ramp it. Look, these fingers. There. These can grow. These snapped off.
And now the Talion doesn't want to steer. This might be a failed attempt altogether. Let's get the infraction and the limitless, I guess. Well, guys, all of them may be broken. Go ahead and run it. Try it and see what happens. Is it driving okay? Landed a side flip. I think Noah's got a gear slip, and I just lost. Is that a wheel I just lost?
Might be a piece of your tire.
What was it? Did you see it? Looked like something came off. Sound like Noah's got a diff or a gear or something slipping in his. You ever have one of those days where just every car you have breaks? That's somebody's sock. We were hoping to do some ramps jumping with the Losi, but the screw came out of the steering. Battery dead? We'll see if we can fix this with a body clip.
Did it?
It might work.
I'm switching the controller.
That's how MacGyver would have done it. All right, go ahead, Noah. This might be your only jump. That baby flew.
It wrapped all the way over here.
Yeah.
It worked.
All right, well, don't blast it so far next time. Don't want to break it completely.
Double ramp.
All right, let's see you do another one. Not crazy, though. And make sure you try to land it on its wheels.
What?
Make sure to control it and land it on its wheels. Losi Tenacity DB Pro. Oh!
It worked. It's not working.
Steering's being held together with a body clip.
Back in the Jeep. Right, I better stand back for this.
Don't get crazy. You're just trying to break it, aren't you? All right, go ahead. Oh! I think that might have done it. Well, if you jump the Losi to the moon, it will break. Let's see what happened.
Ooh. Oh, you can already see part of what happened. I know I can fix the spring part.
Looks like a rod end, shock.
Whoa, look, the pendant. Oh, never mind. Whoa, it didn't break off at least. It came out.
All right, guys, I guess that'll do it for this video. Today was Break 'em Sunday, so we appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe.